Hey guys, welcome back to Chit Chat Wednesday. Today's episode, we are going to learn how to make crepes. This is one of my typical breakfasts that I have every morning. So, if you guys want to know how I made this breakfast, please stay tuned and don't go away. The ingredients you will need are some flour, some sugar, whole milk, evaporated milk, butter, nutmeg, flavor. I chose strawberry and some strawberries itself, and a cooking oil. Let's get right into it. You start by pouring a full can of evaporated milk into a bowl. Then you go ahead and break your eggs also. Make sure you break the number that you like. I preferred breaking 4, so that's what I used. Then I added a little bit of butter to it as well and mixed everything together. Add your whole milk and flour to the mixture at this point and start stirring everything together. Add your flavor to it. I chose strawberry flavor because I love strawberry. Everything strawberry I love. Gently stir everything together and then add your sugar. Other people prefer to add a pinch of salt, but I didn't add it because I wanted a specific taste. Gently stir everything together and then add your nutmeg to it. You can add the amount that you want, but make sure you add just a little bit. It's just for taste and flavor, so you don't necessarily need to add more. Mix everything together, taste it and make sure everything is okay. Then you just set it aside. Prep your frying pan to fry it at this point. Pour your oil in your pan. Trust me, this amount was enough. It was enough to fry everything. Then wait for the oil to be hot enough, and then you scoop a little bit of the mixture into the pan. I was always told this was called pancakes, but seriously, this is called crepes. It's actually a French word for flat pancakes. The ones that we know as pancakes are the puffy ones. I will leave a picture in here somewhere so that you know the difference. I love my crepes very, very brown, a little bit bent on the edges. That is my jam. And orange juice is definitely one of my favorite breakfast meals. The truth is, my husband really don't like these kind of meals, so I prepare something different for him. But I make sure at least once a week I eat these kinds of meals. Either this or chocolate drink or tea bag or anything watery. Like, I love my cereals and all that. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, just let me know and I'll make these kind of videos for you. You know that I did for you people. Your wish is definitely my command. how yummy and tasted this. Look, trust me, it was so good. I really enjoyed eating this. If you guys love this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you want to see more of these kind of videos, let me know and I will make them for you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.